Krishna seva mukha Brahma hoite Naradira mati Narada hoite Vyasa Madaka Vyasa Dasa Punagraya Nana Bhagati Vihari Madhava Vamse Jogya Parama Hamse Shishaboli Angi Karakore Akshobhera Shisha Jaya Dildana Me Pari Jaya Nandase Gyana Sindhu Tare Taha hoite Doya Nidhi Taradasa Vidya Nidhi Rajendra Hoilo Taha hoite Tahara Kinkara Jaya Sajana Me Pari Jaya Parampara Janu Balu Mate Jaya Dharma Dase Kyati Sri Purushottama Jati Taha hoite Ramanya Tirtha Suri Vyasa Tirtha Tara Dasa Lakshmipati Vyasa Dasa Taha hoite Madhavendra Puri Madhavendra Puri Varasisha Varasisha Chandana Siya Daita Vivu Ishvara Puri Ketanya Korilena Sri Chaitanya Jagat Guru Gaura Mahavavu Mahaprabhu Sri Chaitanya Radha Krishna Nahiyana Rupanuga Jane Rajimana Vishwambara Priyankara Sarupa Damodara Sri Goswami Rupa Sanadana Rupa Priya Mahajana Jivara Gunatahana Tarapriya Kavi Krishna Dasa Krishna Dasa Priya Vara Narottama Seva Vara Jarapada Vishwanatha Yasa Shanata Bhakta Sata Baladeva Jagannatha Tarapriya Si Bhakti Vinoda Mahabhagavata Vara Shri Gaura Kishora Vara Hari Bhajane Te Jaramoda Srivasavana Vivara Dasevya Seva Vara Tahara Dvaite Dasanama Prabhupada Antaranga Sisharupa Rupanuga Sri Keshava Bhakti Pragyana Gauriya Vedanta Vedamaya Madhata Mahanta Gauravani Prashancharadama Kati Vedanta Swami Purairo Prabhur Padar Kama Kesha Priya Mahajana Vamana Narayana Gauravani Tander Pranadhana Ei Sava Harijana Gaurangira Nija Jana Tadra Uchiste Morakama Guru Parampara Guru Parampara Parampara Guru Parampara Guru Parampara Guru Parampara Vrindavana Basi Jato Vaishnavera Gana Tame Vandana Kori Savara Charana Nilachala Basi Jato Mahaprabhur Gana Bhumite भजतो गौरदेशे स्थिते तवरा चरण बंधु कोरिया प्रणाति जे देशे बसे गौरंगे गाना उदा बाहु कोरी बंधु सबरा चराना चेना होई बेना प्रभुर जातो दासा सबरा चराना बंधु बंते खोरी गासा ब्रह्मंदा तरिते सखी धारे जने जाने ये वेदा पुराणे गुण गाए जे बसोने महाप्रभु गना सभापति दा पवना दैलो बे मुई पापी लोई दुशराना बंधन कोई ते मुई कतो शक्ति गोरी ओ बुधे से मुई दम्बा मात्र गोरी तथापि दुर्चक्षमी मोहदमे कोरी सर्ववंश सिद्धि होय यमवंत जूते गति दुर्लभ होय गुप्ते मदन रूते मनेरा बसन पूर्ण आचिराते होया बाकी नंदन दासारे रवि होया वैष्णव ठाकुर जय वैष्णव ठाकुर वैष्णव ठाकुर जय वैष्णव ठाकुर जय वैष्णव ठाकुर जय वैष्णव ठाकुर वैष्णव ठाकुर जय वैष्णव ठाकुर श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद निताय गौरमानि निताय गौरमानि अनिया प्रेमेरा बजा बसाइलो अबानी प्रेमेर बान्या लोया निताय आइला गौड़ा देशे उबिलो बकाता गना दीनहीना बासे दीनहीना पातिता मारनाहि बाशे राधुलावा प्रेमा सबा करे जाचे अवदा करुणा सिंधु कोतिया मुहाना हरे गारे भूले प्रेमा आमिया रवाना ओलोचान बोले मोरा निताय जे बना बजीलो निया सुनिया से आत्मा गति होलो जय नित्यानंद राम जय नित्यानंद राम नित्यानंद राम जय नित्यानंद राम जय नित्यानंद राम जय नित्यानंद राम नित्यानंद गौरंगा बोलिते हवे पुला का शरीरा हरि हरि बोली तेरा जाने बाबे नीरा हर काबे निताय चंदे करुणा होई बे संसारा बसाना मोरा काबे तुक्षावे ओ बिशाया चोरिया कभी शुदा हावे मा Radha Krishna Pranamura Yugala Kishora Jivane Marane Gati Yar Nahi Mora Alindira Kule Keli Kadambe Rabana Ratana Sabodhu jana Shama Gauri Ange Dibajua Chandane Ragana Samara Dulavo Kabe Heri Mukha Chana Gatiya Malatir Mala Dibodo Harga Krishna Pranamura Yugala Kishora Jivane Marane Gati Yar Nahi Mora Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Radhe Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Gokula Taruni Mandala Mahite Oda Modara Rati Bharadana Veshe Damodara Rati Hari Niskuta Brinda Vipineshe Hari Niskuta Brinda Vipineshe Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Daite O Vishabhanudadi Navashashileke Navhanudadi Navashashileke Lalita Sakhi Guna Ramita Vishakhe Lalita Sakhi Guna Ramita नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं चारुवक्त्रमण्डलं सुकर्णरत्नकुण्डलं सुचार्चितङ्गनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं सुदीर्घनेत्रपङ्कजं श्रीकेशिकान्नमूर्धनं मन्दकोटिमोहनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं सुनासिकाग्रमौक्तिकं सचन्ददन्तपन्तिकं सर्वं बुधङ्गचेतनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं वेणुरञ्जितं गदिकरिन्दकञ्जितं गोलपीतशोभनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं सुन्दरं नखाद्युतिसुधाकरं नमूलरत्नभूषणं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नुरोविराजिकौस्तुभं वाचिवासलञ्चनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं वृन्दावनासुनागरं विलासनुगवाससं सुरेन्द्रगर्वमोचनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं जङ्गनासुनायकं सदा सुखप्रदायकं सदम्मनाकरोवनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं श्रीनन्दनन्दनस्तकं पतेयशादयम्बित भवेद्भवामि दुस्तरं भवेद्गदङ्घ्रियोगकं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि नन्दनन्दनं नमामि मुनीन्द्रवृन्दवन्दिते लोकशोकहारिणि प्रसन्नवक्त्रपङ्कजे निकुञ्जभूविलासिनि ब्रजेन्द्रभानुनन्दिनी ब्रजेन्द्रसूनुसङ्गते कदा करिष्यसि मम कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अशोकवृक्षवल्लरी वितानमण्डपस्थिते प्रवल्लवल्लवप्रभानुरङ्गिकोमले वराभय स्फुरत्करीरभूतसंवरालये कदा करिष्यसि मम कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अनङ्गरङ्गमङ्गलप्रसङ्गभङ्गुराभ्रुवं सविभ्रमं ससम्भ्रमं दिगन्तबाणपातने निरन्तरं वशीकृतप्रतीतिनन्दनन्दने कदा करिष्यसि मम कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् तडिसुवर्णचम्पकप्रदीप्तगौरविग्रहे गाप्रभापरास्तकोटिशारदिन्दुमण्डले विचित्रचित्रसञ्चरचकोरश्वावलोचने कदा करिष्यसि मम कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् मदोन्मदाधियौवने प्रमोदमानमण्डिते प्रियानुरागरञ्जिते कलाविलासपण्डिते अनन्यधन्यकुञ्जराजकामके प्रभूत शात कुंभ कुंभ कुंभी कुंभसूषणी प्रशस्त मंदहास्य चूर्ण पूर्ण सौख्य सागरी कदाकरी शशि नमः दिवाकटाक्षभाजनम् मृणालवल्लवल्लरी तरङ्गरङ्गदुर्लते लताग्रलस्य लोलनीललोचनावलोकन् ललालुलमिलानमनोज्ञमुग्धमोहनाश्रिते कदाकरी शशि हवां कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् वर्णमालिकञ्चिततिरेककम्बुकण्ठगे सलोलनीलकुण्डलप्रसूनगोचगुम्भिके कदाकरी शशि नमः कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् कदाकरी शशि नमः कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अनेकमन्त्रनादमञ्जुनूपुरारवैस्कल समाजराजहंसवंसनिक्वनाथिगोरवे विलोलहेमवलरी विदम्बिचारुचङ्क्रमे कदाकरी शशि नमः कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अनन्तकोटिविष्णुलोकनमपाद्मजर्चिते माधुर्यपुलोमजाहिरिञ्चजावराभर अपार सिद्धिरिदिदिग्धसापदाङ्गुलीनखे कदाकरी शशि नमः कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् महेश्वरी क्रियेश्वरी स्वरेश्वरी सुरेश्वरी विविधभारतीश्वरी प्रमाणशासनेश्वरी रमेश्वरी क्षमेश्वरी प्रमोदकारणेश्वरी तदेश्वरी गजाधिपे शिराधिके नमोस्तुते इति ममाद्भुतं स्तवं निशम्यमानुनन्दिनी करोतु सततं जनं कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् अवितदैव सञ्चितातिरूपकर्मनाशनम् भवेत्तदा भजेन्द्रसूनुमण्डलप्रवेशम् कदाकरी शशि नमः कृपाकटाक्षभाजनम् जय राधे जय कृष्णा जय राधे जय कृष्णा जय राधे जय कृष्णा कृष्णदेव भवन्तं वन्दे कृष्णदेव भवन्तं वन्दे मनमानसमधुकरमर्पय निजपद पङ्कजमुखरन्दे मनमानसमधुकरमर्पय निजपद पङ्कजमुखरन्दे कृष्णदेव भवन्तं वन्दे यद्यपि सम समाधिषु विद्रपि पश्यति न तव न काग्रम
यार्मे समाधिषु विद्रपि पश्यति न तव न काग्रम
इदमिच्छामि निसम्मतवाच्युत तदपि
इदमिच्छामि निशम्यतवाच्युत तदपि कृपाभूतमीशे
कृष्णदेव
Yes, I thought it will be a very loud.
Loud. Mahamantra.
9 o'clock?
Huh?
9 o'clock for breakfast?
Yeah, 9 o'clock to take breakfast. You sing this song, Kalayati Nana, you sing or no?
I can sing, but this I don't know how to play on harmonium.
Ari harmonium play just no problem.
Kalayati
Nayanam Desi Desi Balitam Pankajamiv Mridu Maruta Chalitam
Kalayati Nayanam Dishi
Desi Balitam Pankajamiv Mridu Maruta Chalitam Kalayati Nayanam Desi Desi Balitam Pankajamiv Mridu Maruta Chalitam
Kalayati Nayanam Dishi Dishi Balitam
Kele Vipinam Pravisati Radha Kele Vipinam Pravisati Radha Patipata Samudita Manasi
Jyoti Anubadam Vinidati Medu Mantara Padam Rachayati Kunjara
finish your cows.
Yes.
Goseva finish or not?
Yes, yes. She was very happy.
Yeah, the cow. Cow cannot speak, so
If that cannot
Oh, she has her language where she shows sometimes when she's not happy that we long time left her with the flies in the field. You come to her and she goes like this. She shows everything.
Okay, so थोड़ा हरी कथा बोलता हूँ, हैं? Little bit हरी कथा, then breakfast, then we'll go. हैं? ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। वन्दे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्यं प्रभुं वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं। नन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां वृन्दावनमनोहरम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satyamad Bhakti Vedanta Sravaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Sravaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtottara Sadmad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava and Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So just few days before, we also celebrate the disappearance day of Raya Ramananda, was very nearest dears of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, is called the associates of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That is called Gaur Parshad. What do you say? Parshad, understand?
Follow him.
One associate. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is very near and dearest. Raya Ramananda, especially when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was staying in Jagannath Puri, in Gambhira, and that time Sarup Damodar and Raya Ramananda, they also used to stay with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sarupir Gana Rayero Natak Birahir Kale Duhe Rakhai Paran. In Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt pang of separation from Krishna, that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was thinking, I am Radha. Apana ke Radha bhave rahe anukkhan. That means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu most of the time absorbed in the mood of Srimati Radhika. So when Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, and that time Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna. In the same mood, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested in Gambhira. Radhikar bhav jaiche uddhav darsane sei mato rahe Prabhu ratri dine. Chaitanya Charitamrita. When Uddhav came in Vrindavan and he saw Srimati Radhika transcendental madness, Dibba Unmad Dasa. In the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, day and night, He was thinking, I am Radha, now my beloved left me. And day and night Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was crying and crying. कहाँ मोर प्राणनाथ मुरली बदन, कहाँ जाऊं कहाँ पाऊं ब्रजेंद्र नंदन. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, where is my beloved Krishna? Where I will go and when I will meet with him? Then ka Krishna, Chandra ka Krishna is Sikhi Picha Mauli. Then where is Krishna who holds the peacock feather on his turban? So that time Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda specified to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then Sarup Damodar, he also sang the song of Vidyapati and Chandidas. Rai Ramananda, he recited some slokas from Srimad Bhagavatam, Gopi Geet, Benu Geet, Jugal Geet, Brahmar Geet, and Pranay Geet, these types of slokas. And sometimes Rai Ramananda, he also recited some slokas for his from his own books, Grantha, that is called Jagannath Vallabh Natakam. And that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's separation mood increased and increased. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is crying and crying and crying. In this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he realized the highest mood of Srimati Radhika. Gaura Gopal Goswami Maharaj explained, if you go Jagannath Puri, then you can see the two separation form. And Vigraha, it is called Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha or Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna. And that means Jagannath means Krishna. He felt pang of separation from Srimati Radhika, and day and night Lord Jagannath, that means Krishna, he cried. In the same way, in Jagannath Puri, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha, or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also cried for Krishna. That means Srimati Radhika, she cried for Krishna. Same mode is there. But there are two separation mode in Jagannath Puri. That is called Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna or Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha. Then in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he realized the highest mood in Jagannath Puri. So we also, in couple days, we discuss about Rai Ramananda's life history and his his character and his also contribution and Avadan and Vaishishta. Because Krishna, he realized all kinds of mellows in Braj. But when Krishna returned back in Aprakat Golok Vrindavan, that time Krishna is thinking, I realized all kinds of mellows from the heart of the Brajavasis, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya Rasa, conjugal mood. But I did not completely realize the highest mood of Srimati Radhika. Understand? Why? Because Krishna is thinking, why Srimati Radhika, she always absorbed with me? Why? And what kinds of prem, love in the heart of Srimati Radhika? For this regard, Sarup Damodar, he also composed one verse. This Radhaya Pranav Mahima Kridiso Banaiva. Sadhyot Jana Adbhuta Sadhyot Jana Adbhuta Madhurima Kridisava Madiyo Sukhancha Madhunuta Kridisaviti Lovat Tad Bhavadda Samajana Sachigarva Sindhu Harindu. For these three reasons, Krishna always thinking, what is the divine love of Srimati Radhika towards me? That is Radhika Pranay Mahima. Or second, Krishna is thinking, what is my beauty, sweetness? always Srimati Radhika, she is licking my beauty with her eyes. What is my beauty? Or third, when Srimati Radhika, she realized my beauty and other things, what kinds of realization coming in his heart. So for this regard, three reasons, Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion, Radhika, Bhav and Kanti. Then Krishna appeared in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari in Navadvip Dham, in the womb of Mother Sachidevi. Sarvadamada very clearly explained this verse. So now coming in this way, now Krishna appeared in this Kali Yuga in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari. Radhikar Bhav Kanti Churi Kari Krishna Avatirna Hoilo Navadvipe Gaura Roop Dhari. Chaitanya Charitamrita explained this way. So couple days we also discussed these things, but Srimati Radhika's the highest mood not so easy to realize, because Krishna is thinking, I am Visaya Vigraha, object of the divine love. As Srimati Radhika, she is the Asraya Vigraha. Srimati Radhika, she is the Asraya Vigraha, shelter of the divine life. So for this guy, Krishna is thinking, how will I realize these things? Because I am Visaya Vigraha, object of the divine love. So for this regard, Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion and appeared in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari. But one thing is coming very secret, without taking shelter, lotus feet of very near dear Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, Krishna cannot release this highest mood. This is the main thing either. Krishna took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion, this is true. But how she will be realized? Without taking shelter, lotus feet of Guru, no one can realize. Realization coming from the mercy of Guru. So Krishna is thinking, who is my best Guru? And I will realize these things. In Krishna Lila, Krishna, he told, Srimati Radhika, she is my Prem Guru. Radhika or Prem Guru, ami sisya not. Tahar preme amai nachai udbhat. Krishna says, Srimati Radhika, she is my Prema Guru. And that means Krishna is saying, I learned all the Prema Tattva, Rasa Tattva, everything from Srimati Radhika. She was saying, Radhika or Prem Guru, ami sisya not. Krishna think I am disciple of Srimati Radhika. How to play the flute, I learned from Srimati Radhika. How to dance, everything I also learned from Srimati Radhika. Very nice slokas also explain this way. Kasmat Brinde, this slokas. That means one Krishna is Srimati Radhika. She was sitting with her Sakhis in Vrindavan, very nice, beautiful, confidential place. In the meantime, Vrindadevi she appeared, and she was very smiling face. Then Srimati Radhika, she asked to Vrindadevi, Kasmat Brinde, hey Brinde, where have you come from? Then Vrindadevi, she told, Tabakundat, I am coming from your Radha Kunda. Then Srimati Radhika, she asked, have you seen my beloved Krishna? Then Vrindadevi, she told, yes, I saw your beloved Krishna. Well, where? Tabakunda. Tabakunda. That means your and on the bank of Radha Kunda. And well, what is he doing there? That means Srimati Radhika, she is saying, Krishna says, I am his Guru. But Guru is here, our disciple on the bank of Radha Kunda. What is he doing there? That time, Vrindadevi, she told, hey Radhe, actual Krishna is learning, what is called, how to dance. Nitta Sikchayanti. So Krishna, he is learning how to dance. Then Srimati Radhika, she told, oh, he is learning how to dance. Well, yes. Well, who is his guru? Who is guru? If you learn anything, you have to need his what? Guru. Binu guru bhavanidhi tareo na koi, jo virinchi sankara samahoy. And one who have vast of knowledge, as like Brahma or Shiva, but he has no guru, he cannot attain his perfection goal. So the Binu Guru Bhavanidhi Tareo na koi, jo virinchi sankara samahoy. Understand? In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she asked to Vrindadevi, hey Vrinde, who is his guru? He is learning dance, Nitya Kala Vidya. Nitya Kala Vidya, understand?
Arts.
Arts of dance. So, who is his guru? And he is learning Nitya Kala. That time, Vrindadevi, she told, hey Radhe, on the bank of your Radha Kunda, all the trees, and they is thinking, Krishna is thinking, all the trees of Radha Kunda as like your manifestation, Prakash, Vibhuti. So, Krishna is thinking, all the trees on the bank of Radha Kunda as like your Murti. Murti, understand? Your form. So, when the trees of Radha Kunda, they are also moving, they are branches, and this is called, what is called? Trunks. Branch. Trunk. That time Krishna is thinking, oh Srimati Radhika, she is giving me instruction how to dance and how to move my hands, how to move my legs, how to move my legs. If you know Bharatanatyam, you know or not? Who knows?
I don't know what Aruni was learning.
He's learning now?
We used to, yes, we went with my older daughter. She was smaller. We went to
Okay. So in the same way, just I also think the tang tang murtim tarulat. So Vrindadevi, she told all the trees of Radha Kunda. So Krishna is thinking, this is your form. So when the trees of Radha Kunda and they are how is it called, branch and moving, that time Krishna is thinking, oh Srimati Radhika, she is giving me instruction how to move my legs, how to move my eyes, hands, neck, everything. So in this way, Krishna is learning how to dance. So in this way, Srimati Radhika is saying this also. Krishna always says this verse, the Radhika Prem Guru, Amish not. That means Srimati Radhika, she is my Prema Guru, or I am her disciple. So, now coming in this way, the Krishna is thinking, how will I relish the highest mood of Srimati Radhika's, that is called Madanakha Mahabhav. One day I told also, this is that when Krishna is learning this highest mood, but need is what? Srimati Radhika's and complexion. But why need Srimati Radhika's complexion? Maybe question will come. And mood is important. Bhav. What is need the complexion? Why? You understand the question? What is the reason? Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's complexion.
He cannot tolerate her mood.
Complexion, there are two reasons. Internal reason, when Krishna is coming from Golok Vrindavan and took Srimati Radhika's mood, highest mood. Then Srimati Radhika is thinking, how possible my beloved Krishna will tolerate? And his body cannot tolerate this mood. Because when the Dibba Unmaddasa, transcendental madness coming, that time Krishna cannot tolerate. Srimati Radhika, she is saying, only I can tolerate. Because when Dibba Unmaddasa, transcendental madness coming, Dibba Unmaddasa, sometimes rolling on the ground, sometimes dancing, something this way. So Srimati Radhika is thinking, it is better I have to cover the whole body of Krishna. So for this regard, actually Srimati Radhika, she completely covered the whole body of Krishna. Understand? This is the main reason also, this internal reason. This is why Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's complexion. And actual Srimati Radhika, she herself completely covered the whole body of Krishna. Because Srimati Radhika, I can tolerate. So for the regard, Srimati Radhika herself completely covered the whole body of Krishna. This is the main reason is that. Or another reason is that if Krishna only took Srimati Radhika mood, bhav, that time this bhav is coming, then Krishna is crying. Understand? Krishna is crying for Krishna. Krishna is crying for Krishna. Then Krishna is looking. Hey, why I am crying for Krishna? I am Krishna. Why I am crying for Krishna? This will disturb for his mood. For this regard, Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's complexion. Understand? So, so now coming in this way, when Mahabhav coming, that what the symptom of a Mahabhav. This is not ordinary things also. There are 6 symptoms of Mahabhav. How many? 6. Mahabhav manifested one's heart. There are the 6 symptoms. The highest Mahabhav, they call it Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Anurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Udhuda, Mohan, Modan, and Madanakha Mahabhav. This highest mood, they call Madanakha Mahabhav. Madanakha Mahabhav manifested one's heart. There are 6 symptoms. First, there is called Khanardhe Kalpatta Kalpatte Khanardha. First, the Khanardhe Kalpatta. 1 second separate from Krishna, Srimati Radhika says, millions days of Brahma, I did not meet with Krishna. There is Khanardhe Kalpa. Kalpa means is what? 1 day of a Brahma. That is called 1 Kalpa. Or 1 day of a Brahma means 1000 Chaturjugas. And Sattva, Treta, Dapar, Kali. In this way, 1000 times rotation coming. And that is called one night, in the same way, one day. So just 1 second separate from Krishna, and Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, millions days of Brahma, I did not meet with Krishna. And feeling separation mode. So Khonarde Kalpat. Or Kalpatte Khonarda. And millions days of Brahma, Srimati Radhika, she met with Krishna. But Srimati Radhika, she is thinking, just 1 second, I met with Krishna. So for this regard, he is saying, Mahabhav Dasa means this way, the Khanarde Kalpatta or Kalpatte Khanard. Second, there is called Brahmanda Chabhakarita. This Mahabhav manifests heart of Srimati Radhika, then whole universe start to stimulate. As like earthquake will come. Not only one, all the universe, innumerable universe, and Brahmanda start to shake. The Kanardi Kalpata, Kalpate Kanardi, Brahmanda Chabhakarita. Or fourth, Asanna Janata Hit Bidolan. Asanna Janata Hit Bidolan means those who are, people are staying in this material world, everybody's heart will be also stimulated. That is called Asanna Janata Hit Bidolan. And you cannot imagine what can be. When Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna, then everybody's heart has to stimulate also. And all this mood also coming in there. Or third, Tijjagjani Prapti Lalsa. This is what 6, no 4. 6.
No, 4. 5.
Tijjagjani Prapti Lalsa. Tijjagjani Prapti Lalsa means when Mahabhav coming, so much humility will come, they know. And humbleness will come. Then Srimati Radhika is thinking, in my human body, Manavsari, I cannot meet with Krishna. It is better I will give up this body, and the next birth I will become deer, heron, cows, birds, then easy to meet with Krishna. That is Sanskrit word that is called Tijjagjani Prapti Lalsa. Lalsa means longing. So much longing is coming. And in this human body, I cannot meet with Krishna. And so it is better give up this body, then I will take the body of animals, deer, birds, then easy to meet with Krishna. So for this regard, this Sanskrit word is called Tijjagjani Prapti Lalsa. Or 6, that is called Atma Vismaran. Understand? Atma Vismaran completely forgets herself. Srimati Radhika, I think Srimati Radhika, she forgets her own identity. Sometimes this example has given in Shastra. The one Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna and crying and crying and crying. And tears rolling down. That time Lalita Devi, she pacified to Srimati Radhika. Hey Radhe, why you are crying? And I know you are crying for your beloved Krishna. So now you can write one letter to Krishna. And if you write, then your remembrance is coming. So it is better you can write one letter to Krishna. Then Lalita Devi, she gave pen and one paper to Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika, she is going to write something to Krishna. But she just touch the tip of her pen on the paper. This way. And then she is thinking about Krishna, what to write. Eh? So many Leelas manifested in his heart, but she cannot write. Eh? And she was crying and crying and crying. Eh? Understand? Then she so much thinking about Krishna and absorbed with Krishna. Then Srimati Radhika is thinking, I am Krishna. Eh? Look this thing. So now Srimati Radhika is thinking, I am Krishna. Now I am writing to letter to Srimati Radhika. Look this mood is coming. And then tears rolling down, and there the paper completely full of tears. Lalita Devi, she realized, and Lalita Devi, she knows the heart of Srimati Radhika. Then Lalita Devi, she took the paper and fold and sent to Krishna. When Krishna opened the paper, then Krishna saw that the paper completely full of tears. And so Krishna now realized the mood of Srimati Radhika, what she wrote and in this letter. And so that is called the Atma Vismaran. When the Mahabhav Dasa is coming, that is called Atma Vismaran, means completely forget our own identity. You forget your own identity, no? But Srimati Radhika, she completely forget her own identity. Look this. This one. So now coming in this way, this is the highest mode, this thing. So Krishna is thinking, these types of Mahabhav I have to release. But who will give me some lesson? These types of, who will give me that? Who will give me the training to learn these types of modes? That time Krishna Devani Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking only Visakha Devi can give. Visakha Devi, she is very near dear of Srimati Radhika. Because Visakha Devi's birthday and Janma Nakshatra is same, Srimati Radhika. And Visakha Devi's mood and Radhika's mood also same. Lalita Devi's mood is called Prakhara. Very talkative. And Visakha Devi's mood is called Mridu, little bit soft. So same mood. So for this regard, Krishna is thinking, everything I have to learn from Visakha Devi. Now Visakha Devi appear in Mahaprabhu Lila, that is called Rai Ramananda. Rai Ramananda. Understand this? So now now Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion appeared in the form of Sachinandan Gaurhari in Navadvip Dham. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he took sannyas. After taking sannyas, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Jagannath Puri. In Jagannath Puri, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he blessed to everybody, and especially he delivered Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, and who is the guru of Shankar philosophers. Shankar Panthi's guru, Mayavadi guru. Understand? So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also discussed with him about Vedanta Darshan, Vedanta philosophy. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu defeated to him, and then also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his Sarabhuj form. Sarabhuj form means, what is it? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Dharma Krishna, he manifested his 6 arms and and told to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, I am not ordinary person, I am same Krishna. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya completely surrendered Lotus to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So in this way, Sarvabhauma Uddhar, deliverance of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Then Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he told Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, I have to go South India. Why? Why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is traveling and going to South India? Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, external Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, my brother Vishwarup, he took sannyas. So for this regard, now I am going to search my brother Vishwarup. This is external. Internal is it, how to meet with Rai Ramananda. And that means Vishakha Devi now appeared in the form of Rai Ramananda. Or in this way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also delivered all the living entities in South India also. Because Chaitanya Chaitanya Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explained Rasik Shekhar Krishna Parama Karun Prem Ras Nirjas Korite Asadan Rag Marge Bhakti Lobh Korite Pracharan. So Krishna is called very Rasik. Rasik means who relish the highest mellows. Rasik. Connoisseur. So Rasik Shekhar Krishna. And Rasik Shekhar Krishna Parama Karun, and is very compassionate, giving the love and affection and distribute the highest prem to everybody. So Rasik Shekhar Krishna Parama Karun Prem Ras Nirjas Korite Asadan. And main thing is the Prem Ras Nirjas. Nirjas means the essence of prema. The essence of prema, that is called Srimati Radhika's highest mood. That is called Madanakha Mahabhav. And simultaneously Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also distribute the highest prem to everybody. Apani asadi jivere asadila. That means Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he relished the highest prem of Srimati Radhika. And simultaneously, he also distributed this prem to everybody. Anarpita charing chirat karuna avatirna kalu samarpayat unnat ujjara samsabhakti shram harihi purata sundara digada sandirpita sada hidaya kandare spuratu bha Sachinandana. Then Sachinandana Gaur Hari, he raised his one hand, or another hand is down, means is what? Gaura Gopal Goswami Maharaj saying, that means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is taking the highest prem of Srimati Radhika and relishing, testing. And simultaneously, he also distributed all his followers. For this regard, he raised his one hand or another hand down. Understand this? So now coming in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he came in Jagannath Puri, and day and night he relished the highest prem, and with Sarup Damodar and Rai Ramananda. So saying Sarup Irganar Rai Natak Viroher Kale Duhe Rakhe Paran. So now coming in this way, Rai Ramananda Sangvad is very important, and in Chaitanya Charitamrita. And Gurudev told, actually Rai Ramananda Sangvad, the conversation between Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Rai Ramananda, and this is called heart of Chaitanya Charitamrita. Hidaya Sarup. And though other chapter is very important also, but Rai Ramananda Sangvad is very important. And Hidaya Sarup. Rai Ramananda Sangvad. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Krishna, he took shelter, let us feet of Rai Ramananda, then Vishakha Devi. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu met with Rai Ramananda in South India, especially on the bank of Godavari. This thing also described in here. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss Then how Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he relished the highest prem with Rai Ramananda. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai jai Shri Ram. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Bolo Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Ram Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol. Bolo Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki jai jai Shri Ram. Jai Rai Ramananda Sangvad ki. Still not start. There is just introduction class. Rai Raman. But you don't forget why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he took Srimati Radhika's complexion and mood. Why?
Because he couldn't tolerate the highest moods.
He could not tolerate highest mood of Srimati Radhika. Actually, Srimati Radhika he herself covered. So another reason also why Srimati Radhika she herself covered the whole body of Krishna. Why? That is also another Lila Puran Katha is there. Once in Golok Vrindavan, Radha and Krishna they are meeting together. And then suddenly Srimati Radhika she asked to Krishna, "Hey Krishna, please give me some, what is it called, alms, bhiksha to me, donation to me." Then Krishna told, "Why are you saying this? You and me, same. There are no difference, you and me. Radha Krishna eko hi swarup. Lila ras asayati dhare duri. Radha Krishna is one. And when performing this Lila, they manifested two forms, Radha and Krishna. So for this regard, Krishna told, "Hey Radhe, and why did you say, you give me something to me? Everything belongs to you, that it belongs to me, or everything belongs to me, that it belongs to you also." Understand these things? Because Radha and Krishna is Krishna, he is called Radha, Srimati Radhika, she is called Sakti, Radha Purna Sakti. Krishna is called Purna Sakti Man. Radha Purna Sakti, Krishna Purna Sakti Man, Dui Vastu Bhed Nahi Shastri Praman. This is the evidence from the scriptures. There are not no difference, Radha and Krishna. Where is Radha, there is Krishna. Where is Krishna, there is Radha. Jatra Jatra Krishna Tatra Tatra Radha. So in the Fardika Srimati Radhi, Fardika Krishna told, "Hey Radhe, why did you say to me that you give me something?" That means I did not give to you anything. You are my Shakti. I am Shakti Man, possessor of the Shakti. So there are no difference. Why you are saying they give something? Then Srimati Radhika, she told, "Hey Prana Govinda, listen. Though there are no difference, you and me, this is true. But when we are performing this Leela, that time manifested two forms, Radha and Krishna. Two forms. Just I told Radha Krishna eko hi swarup, Leela ras asadite dhare dui rup. So now we are relishing Leela Rasa. Leela Rasa. So now we are going to. But so for this regard, I beg one thing from you. Give me some bhiksha alms. But what do you want? Then Srimati Radhika she told, and I want to release whole your limbs and body at a time. Understand? Same time. Well, how will do this? Understand? When Radha and Krishna, they embracing to each other, chest to chest, back to back. But at a time, how possible whole body? So, really, that time Krishna told, okay, I will fulfill your desires. For now, when Krishna is coming from Golok Vrindavan and took Srimati Radhika's mood, then Krishna is thinking, oh, this is the best opportunity. So I have to steal Srimati Radhika's complexion. Understand? If I take Srimati Radhika's whole complexion and cover my body, then in this way Srimati Radhika, she can release my whole body's beauty and everything. This. Gaura Gopinatha Goswami very nicely, specific way. And he told this story from Puranas. Vrindavan Vihari Lal. Understand? Gaur Premanandi. What do you say?
In Gambhira, Mahaprabhu, he was crying and frowning because in his tears. Was it that Madanaka Mahabhava?
Something is there also. Not complete Madanaka Mahabhava. The Biraha Dasa is there. Because when the Biraha Dasa is coming, this is this stage.
So completely only Radhika is experienced.
Radhika, Srimati Radhika, only she has this thing. For this regard, when Rai Ramananda, he asked Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, "Dear Prabhu, don't you cheat me, who are you?" First Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, I am Mayavadi Sannasi. Understand? I am Jeev. That time Ramananda told Prabhu, why don't cheat me? Prathame dekhili tumar sannas roop. First I saw you sannas form. This is true. Then I saw Samo and Goparup. Then I saw Krishna's form. Then I saw also Radhika ji there. Then I saw Krishna's form. And Tar Kanchal Putta Likay Tumar Sarvanga Dhaka. Then I saw the Krishna's whole body completely covered with Srimati Radhika's complexion. Understand this way. So don't you cheat me, who are you? That Hasi Prabhu Tare Dekhailo Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup. Dekhi, tabe dekhi Rai Ramananda hoila murchit. Understand? Then soon Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu smiled and manifest Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup. Krishna is called Rasaraj. As Srimati Radhika, she is called Mahabhav. So Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup. Then when Rai Ramananda saw these things, Rai Ramananda fainted. Well, why Rai Ramananda fainted? This is also a reason coming. And our Goswami is very nicely explained. Why Rai Ramananda? He fainted. Because Rai Ramananda is Visakha Devi. Visakha Devi, she always staying with Srimati Radhika. Visakha Devi's mood and Radhika's mood is same. So, in Krishna Lila, Rai Ramananda, the Krishna Lila, Visakha Devi, then she knows the mood of Srimati Radhika, everything. But what's new thing she saw? And then fainted. This question is coming. Question marks. Why Rai Ramananda fainted? And because he is saying, Hasi Prabhu Dekhailo Rasaraj Mahabhav Sarup. Then Rai Ramananda fainted. Dekhi Rai Ramananda hoilo murchit. Then Rai Ramananda fainted. Why? This is the thing. Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss. Why Rai Ramananda fainted. Follow Rai Ramananda ki jai. Jai Jai Sri Ram. Understand? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is Krishna. How do you prove also? Because here he is saying this, Brajendran, Srimati Radhika, she does not touch to anyone except Krishna. So saying, Brajendran Nandana Bina, Teho Nahi Porsche Annajan. Srimati Radhika, this is her one nishtha towards Krishna. Only Srimati Radhika, she can touch to Krishna. So saying. So for the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, ब्रजेंद्र नंदन बिना तेहो नहीं पर से अन्न जान. And Srimati Radhika, she will not touch the body of Narayan and or any incarnation of Krishna. Even not with Dwarkadhish Krishna, Mathura Krishna. Though there are no difference between Krishna and Ramchandra or Narayan, but still Srimati Radhika, she has mood and nishtha and bhav and nishtha with Krishna. So saying, Brajendra Nandan bina teho nahi parse anna jaan. Srimati Radhika, her nishtha towards Krishna. So for this regard, she completely covered the whole body of Krishna. Jai Jai Shri Radha. Okay, now about 9:30 take prasadam. Jai Jai.